Hey guys, welcome to today's video.
So guys, today we are here in lovely Skardu, checking out Upper Kachura Lake, and we got a little Zakaria, you little happy bunny, aren't you? Hey. So apparently we've got some British pigeons here. Let me show you the greenery. Look how lovely that is. What do you think of the vibe so far?
You know what? This place is just breathtaking.
It is,
I would
absolutely.
say. The scenery and everything here is absolutely beautiful.
It is beautiful. And everyone's just so calm and chill.
Everyone's just sitting in the grass, sitting in the fields, and if you have a look around here, it's just literally, it's like countryside, greenery. It just reminds you of being fresh.
Fresh.
That's just, I feel like I'm in Switzerland. You know, one of those pictures that you see in like the Switzerland greenery, like the fields and stuff with the snow-capped mountains surrounding it and all that. That's what I feel like where we're in.
Oh my god, yeah,
Isn't
you're
it?
right. We just need some brown horses.
Yeah, running across, and we've completed it. And look at these little kids here that are just chilling. Hello, assalamu alaikum. And you know what? I've just let the window down and it's nice and crisp outside. There's a little nice little cool breeze slapping your face, which is nice. It's a nice little change from the boiling heat of the Punjab region, which we've been in for quite a while now. So it's a refreshing change, I would say.
Yeah,
and
Zakaria agrees in the back. We just got a nice little bumpy road now going up this Upper Kachura Lake. I'm really excited to see it. It's right next to the Shangri-La hotel, so we might be able to see a bird's eye view of that as well.
yeah, we decided not to go into Shangri-La because it's 1,000 rupees per person entry, which
is crazy because I thought it was
That's a lot.
1,000. I thought it was 1,000 for per vehicle. But
which makes sense, doesn't it?
yeah, exactly.
It's 1,000 per person to enter, which in my honest opinion, and remember we always give our honest reviews that everything here is an absolute rip-off. I wouldn't go there. There's no other way to put it, guys. That's my personal opinion. If you have the money and you want to view it, by all means, but I wouldn't recommend it. And our driver also kindly said that it's probably not best money spent. Oh, you know what, I'm going to show you this. Look at this, man. Look at this. This is, and you know what, this is water from the mountains that is coming right down to the lakes, and it's drinkable, it's fresh. So yeah, we just looks like we're just entering into the lake area now. So we are now making our way to the lake, right?
Yes, we are, guys. And if you just look around us, it's just absolutely stunning. Look at that. Oh wow.
Look at this, even Zakaria's like, isn't it? Look, Zakaria, look, is the mountain. It's a mountain. Look, I told you I'd take you to mountain.
Yes, we did. So
we play mountain all the time, don't we?
when Zakaria was small, Effa used to sing to him.
So we go mountain. So I used to sit down, right, raise my knees and put him on my knees and say, shall we play mountain? Because he used to be high up, and he always, no matter how much he would be crying, screaming the place down, instant laughs, mate, instant laughs.
Yeah.
And we go
How
on
did it
trekking.
How did it go?
So I used to sit down and say to him, Zakaria, shall we go on a mountain?
Mountain.
Shall we play a mountain? Yeah, look at this place, honestly.
Lovely, the cross, the bridge cross, the
This is
crossover.
bridge crossing. Make sure you don't fall over Hussein Suspension Bridge.
Oh my god, we've got the natural rocks.
Natural rocks, natural bridge there.
Bridge cross.
The weather is absolutely perfect
Perfect.
for walking around.
This weather is like, you know, in the UK, where it's nice, best weather for hiking. It's not too hot, but it's nice and cool.
Yeah.
And you can go on a nice little hike.
And look, you've just got these, like, the water flowing through natural bits.
Big, massive, giant rock.
Wow, look at this.
Wow, it's just massive, isn't it?
Just the greenery here, man, is just wow. Such a stunning, beautiful place.
It's like what you see in the postcards.
It is, isn't it?
Isn't it?
So we've got to watch our step. Nadia, you okay there with Zakaria? And you've got little rice fields here, so this is the water flowing that is feeding the rice here. We could be in Bali right now.
I was just saying, it's not only Bali,
Yeah.
get rice fields, is it?
Oh
Only
yeah.
if you guys could smell what we are smelling right now. It smells so beautiful.
And you know what? After like you guys have probably seen our vlogs that we've been in Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad. And you know, like
This is proper refreshing, isn't it?
those cities are full of a lot of pollution because there's obviously motorbikes and cars and all that kind of stuff here over there. But here it's just clear air. There's no smog. There's nothing. It's just beautiful.
I'm just in love with it right now. I'm so happy that we came.
I am. I'm so happy that we came.
We've got a bit of a rope to help us get down here, so you're not slipping. And sideways are always fine. If you walk down sideways, you get a bit more grip. Oh my god! You can't even see it.
Wow.
This is from afar.
This is from far away. Yeah, look at that. So now we've just climbed up down some of these dodgy steps here. Now we've got nice steps. Everything that we have here is all natural around here. There's no buildings. It's all like they've tried to keep it to its original structure, as opposed to Shangri-La where there's just all buildings around there. So let's carry on. We've obviously got a drone. I'm going to take the drone out and fly it around. As I was saying, one thing to bear in mind when you're in Skardu, the electricity is quite limited. I think it only comes for maybe about 4 or 5 hours a day, and we noticed actually quite a bit of problems charging our things, so just bear that in mind. So today I'm running on one drone battery, so we're gonna have to really think about where we fly the drone.
It's a bit similar to Hunza Valley and Gilgit because it's all run on hydropower electric. So our guy was just saying that it's not season for electric right now. That's why it's very limited.
Okay, because we're outside the season and all the water's frozen, the hydro generators are not working. So when we're within season, all the water melts and it starts powering everything.
Yeah, and you know
that makes sense.
For like the way the world is going now, and to save the earth, you know, you can't get any more natural than that, can you?
Yeah.
I think these are the steps that we have to try to make. Yeah, this is the whole steps that we have to take as a human race if we really want to
save the planet, right?
Save the planet, yeah.
Yeah.
On the day we're recording this, guys, it's Earth Day.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, it's Earth Day, right? Oh yeah, it is Earth Day. Nice. That wasn't planned, but lovely how things turn out.
Oh, people on boats down there.
Oh, let's get on a boat, innit? Yeah, let's get on a boat.
Guys, I feel like I'm back in the Philippines or something with the blue water. I can see from a distance. I'm well excited. Defo, recommend. You need to check this place out. Oh my god.
Definitely recommend this place. The weather's not been that great at night time. It was a bit cold. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Right, we're nearly there, guys.
We are nearly there. Shall I go in front?
This is a proper raw experience of us. We're taking you through the whole Upper Kachura Lake.
Yeah, the journey through the lake. The journey to the lake.
Hey, it's all about the journey, not the destination.
That's right. Oh wow, they've got a hotel here as well.
So if you fancy staying the night, guys.
Yeah, you can. It's called Lake Guest Hotel. Right, so if you fancy staying the night, why not? And I bet you get beautiful views in the morning here with the sun shining on the lake at different hours.
Oh,
so maybe it's worth stopping off if you have time. Hey, the Zakariya.
Hey, Tikironi.
Hi, Zaki Poo Poo.
This little guy is a proper adventurer, he is.
Yeah, he doesn't like staying in the hotel, does he?
No, if he's in the hotel, he starts getting itchy feet.
Yeah, like today we kind of got up a bit late and we left the hotel quite late actually today. By the time we got out and got ready, he was really getting kind of agitated, but as soon as we got in the car he was fine. He was chilling, you know.
He's like his mum and dad, isn't he?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Look at that, it's beautiful.
Wow, wow,
right, I'm gonna pan around. Look at this guy. Wow, this is stunning. I did not expect this, guys, honestly. Definitely did not expect this. You know, when you hear a lake, you think, yeah, a body of water and that's about it really, because that is the definition of it. But this is a beautiful lake.
Guys, I've got to say this is like in the top 10s of lakes that I've seen, and I've seen some pretty awesome lakes. What this is, absolutely. If this was in the UK, it'll be outstanding natural beauty. What do they call it? Oh, area of outstanding natural beauty.
That's it. Yeah.
AONB, bros. This
That's
is what
it
it
would be, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Wouldn't it, Zakaria? What's Zakaria's reaction? Do you like it, Bobo? Yeah, he likes it. He definitely likes it. Yeah, we go on a we're going on a speedboat. We'll go around the lake, check it out, see what it's all about. Take it from there, man. Look at this. This is stunning. Look at this. Manzoor is saying he's going to take us on a speedboat.
Captain.
He's our captain for the day.
Right,
Captain for the day.
Up with the boat right now.
That's it. We're going to go on a speedboat over there. So it's usually 3,500, but he's giving it us for 2,000. Yeah, see a nice little standard boat there is 1,500. Right, but the big boat, which you can stay in and get some nice spacious seating in, I think.
Yeah.
And it's probably quick as well, right?
Yeah, it'll be a nice smooth ride.
Yeah. There you go. Rock the boat, rock the boat. Go on, Fambos. That's it. There you go.
That's how you do it.
That's how you do it.
Behind.
I'm gonna get on the boat as well now. There we go. There we go. There we go. Right.
I'll get you on it.
You get me on. You get on the boat.
Oh, what a baller.
Right. So.
Here we go.
Hey, you got different speed options as well, mate.
The
Slow.
engine is gonna go right now, guys, so it might get really noisy.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is probably enter some B-roll of us going around the lake now, right? So enter that B-roll over here.
This is pretty awesome, isn't it? The engine is not that loud, to be honest.
Yeah, he's got it on quite slow, so
Yeah.
it's fine.
तो सर स्कर्दू कैसा लगे आप लोग को?
बहुत खूबसूरत
Yeah,
है,
बहुत
खूबसूरत। Welcome to Skardu, Zakaria. Yeah. So guys, we're just casually sat on the boat, right at the end, just admiring the views right now. And I think Zakaria's also happy, aren't you, Baba?
Are you happy, Baba?
Are you, Baba?
Yeah.
Yeah, he is. He's in his element right now.
Oh, right.
And-
Look at that.
Yay!
Yeah. So guys, this is all natural water. You can actually fish here as well. You can get speed boats, you can get paddle boats. It's just so relaxing. And the views are just
Stunning.
so
Stunning. Stunning, stunning
out
views.
words. Like literally, when I take a photo, it's crystal clear. Like literally, it's just 100% perfection.
Yeah, lost for words in this place, honestly, just lost for words. So guys, you know we said you can do fishing here. Look at this.
Simon.
Look at that.
These little kids.
Look at that. Wow.
Goldfish.
Wow, that is beautiful. Look at that.
Look at this, guys.
And these guys are... Oh, look, so these kids are doing their fishing here, right? So, hello. So, just a line, rod, go on, don't be shy. Don't be shy. Say hello. So look at this. This is his makeshift fishing rod. You can't even see it. You can't even see it, but it's literally this little string. That's all it is. Look at that.
Oh, he's got something, I think.
Oh, has he got something?
I think so.
Oh wow. Moment of truth, moment of truth. So he's just bringing the rod in now, the makeshift rod, right? And let's see if he's caught something. Has he caught something? Ah, okay, so this is what they have at the end of the rod. Wow, look. So he's got a little hook there, right? See the hook?
That is what you call a legendary hook.
Where there's a couple of hooks and they put a bit of bait on. There you go, look at that. Little bit of bait goes on it. Wow, just a bit of flour, guys. What a legend.
Hey, when we were in the Amazon, we put pieces of meat in our bait. So
Yeah, look at
flour
these guys, man.
to fish in the atta.
So look, he's now gonna swing it around, put some back,
Wow.
and boom, there you go. Go straight into the lake there, and he's gonna wait now and get some fishes. And this is the end product, right? Look, this is what the guys get. Wow, look at that, beautiful. They don't really fish to eat. This is more of a fun hobby for them. They put the fish back afterwards. That's nice of them, isn't it?
Yeah,
Lovely little lads. But look at that. He's got, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4 I can count in there right now. Hello. Assalamu alaikum. Let's see if he's got something, yeah? Go on, lad. Oh, he's got a bit of seaweed. So there you have it, guys. This is what enjoying afternoon playing with your friends is all about in the northern regions of Pakistan. No computer games, No, you know, social media, nothing like this. These guys just come out by the lake, sit down, relax with each other.
And guys, it's so therapeutic fishing, honestly. The best
Look.
antidepressant ever.
These guys are just, and they're happy. These kids are happy. Look at them smiling. Look at them just talking and smiling with each other.
Oh no, photo.
This is the life, man. This is the life.
Look at this fresh trout, guys. Oh wow. So guys, that was absolutely epic. I could stay here for hours and hours, but we have to go.
I really enjoyed this impromptu visit to Upper Kachura Lake. I would definitely recommend this place. If you're short for time in Skardu and you have only a few things to do, definitely keep this place as one of your stop-off points.
100%, honestly. It reminds me of Kayangan Lake, the colour of the water in the Philippines.
Yeah.
And that apparently is one of the clearest lakes in the whole of Asia. So that's saying something.
Yeah, so that actually was a beautiful lake. But yeah, we are now going to make our way back to the car.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell icon.
So you're notified when we upload our next video. And
we'll see you on another adventure in our next video. But in the meantime,
follow your visions, guys.
we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.